foundation focus?
Radon is not a winter-only problem. Radon is a soil gas that exists year-round. In summertime, you experience a closed home, much like you do in the winter, because it is so hot outside. We close all of our windows, run our AC, so there's a chance for radon to build up in the summer, just as there is in the winter. The only way to know if your house has radon is to test for it. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home, the only way to know if it has radon is to get a test done. Most real estate transactions require a radon test, so getting a radon test done prior to listing your home provides a more streamlined real estate process and a peace of mind for the buyer. Radon detective system. There's a few different kinds. At Pier, we use a continuous radon monitor that checks radon levels in your home every hour during a 48-hour test. You can't smell or see radon. It's an odorless gas. The only way to know if your home has radon is to test for it. Radon exists as a soil gas everywhere, inside and outside of homes. So most homes do have a level of radon in it. The higher concentrations of radons is what we are concerned with. At Pier, we use an active soil depressurization system to remove radon from underneath the slab and send it out to the air above your house. A radon mitigation system usually is installed within one day. If you have multiple levels and things like that in your home, it can change the installation time period, but typically it's one day. After installation of the radon mitigation system, it is recommended that you wait 24 hours before retesting, and then you retest your home every 2 years after that. The soil under your house can change due to weather changes, so increases of water or decreases of water can change the way the soil and the air in the soil under your house moves, which can create new avenues for radon to enter your home.
Learn with us every week with Pier and follow us on our social medias.